is a cute kid. It's me, Mila. I got a Billy the Beat Fox, and I am going to open it. I think it's in the bag. It's already open, guys. I just have to get in the bag. It's gonna be a little fun to play. Let's look at it. The bell! It got the Beauty and the Beast bell. That's cute. Bye, guys.